How's it going, guys? We got ducks all around us. We had a half-a-mile walk into this cornfield, but we got everything set. I'll show you when it's more daylight, but there's ducks all around. We're like 3 minutes into shooting light. Skipping school for that first winter hunt. Sitting in the cornfield with the snow with Wayne and Kyler. Let's get her done. Yeah, shoot these. Not yet, Kyler. Holy. I folded 2 of them.
I pulled up early.
Yeah, I know.
This gun. Holy shit, dude. What's wrong with
There we go. We got 2 woodies now. Let's go. All right, guys. Well, we got 2 gadwells right there. There's ducks flying everywhere out here, but we got a jam shell here, so we're gonna get this fixed, and then we'll be back to killing. Well, 2 gaddies. Just had mallards come over, but got a shell jam, first shell. Not a good start for the old gun.
You have the knife still, I said.
Oh, I didn't even get it on video. Well, we just shot a mallard. Well, I did. Kyler's going to pick him up. I think it's a mallard at least. Well, it was a mallard, but it was a hen. So.
Hard to tell. Susie killer.
Yeah, Susie killer. Sheesh. Got 3 brown ducks already, but we're getting her done.
Locked on the slough, dude. Shit. Oh, he's coming, he's coming.
Yeah, shoot that sucker.
Oh my god, dude, I can't post it.
Take him. I forgot you didn't have a gun.
Yeah. Hey, they might come back.
I doubt it.
Look at them.
Look at the ducks up top. Holy. Oh, what are these? No, they're Canadians. Shoot these ducks coming in. See the 2 snows on the bottom left? Look at them all to the left, too. Oh, those are speckled bellies, dude. Oh, they're circling around, dude. Keep your head low. We shoot them over top of us? Oh no, they're too high. Should I shoot these too? Well, guys, we're getting a little chilly. The ducks are definitely flying around, but man, it's just hard and your hands are so cold and it's just cold out here and stuff. Like, look at all those ducks. Hold on. Yeah. They're going right down into that water back there, so I don't know, maybe we'll hunt the water next time. But yeah. A bunch of ducks going into the water. Sorry, I'm watching this mallard here. white shell. I winged him, I thought. Well, yeah. So anyways. Oh, there's even more up top. Look at them. Your fingers are just so cold. And like, you can't hardly even aim and stuff. So yeah, it's cold, but I don't know. I think this is a hen pintail. And then Drake Gadwell, hen mallard, and then 2 Drake Gadwells. Or hen Gadwells, I don't know. Yeah, look at all these ducks. 2 locked behind us. Yeah. Honestly, probably shouldn't be leaving.
Who cares?
But my hands are so cold I can't move my fingers.